How to get ahead. Number 23. Attend webinars and seminars. Stay on top of your career. Make learning a lifelong process. Webinars and seminars are helpful. They're short, practical and up-to-date. They're inexpensive in both time and money. Before joining, seek out and ask for testimonials from previous attendees. Ask them what they learned. Did they apply this information into action? Get permission to attend. Stating what is in it for the company and you. Arrive early, meet people and sit next to someone you don't know. Exchange cards, phone and emails between breaks. Ask questions. Participate in the lessons. Take notes. Think how to apply the lessons in your life at home and at work. Another business tip from Learn Accounting Fast. Tomorrow, how to learn from podcasts.